Today we are in an apartment in North Dublin. The apartment belongs to a very young lady and she wanted a Scandinavian style. So we decided to mix some old and new because she had brought some stuff, some lamps and stuff from her mother's house, and we mixed it all together, and I think you'll agree we've made a pretty cool apartment. Okay, have a little look. So as you can see, we have placed the television on a coffee table. That's not a TV table, it's a coffee table. We brightened the whole area up. It's painted light grey. We have a bright yellow chair, which is from IKEA. The plant is from IKEA and the light fittings are from IKEA too. We got a navy sofa, a navy blue sofa, which is L-shaped. It separates the dining area from the living area. Now we've installed some panelling, as you can see. Behind the sofa, we decided not to go with the traditional panelling because she's far too young for that. So we designed and installed some very modern panelling. It is chipboard, and then we've put MDF on top of that, and we have painted it various colours of greys and blues. We wanted to use some old flooring, but I couldn't afford that with our budget, so we went for some pallets. And I think they look really, really well. All we've done is sanded them down and varnished them. There are some lights, as you can see, behind the panelling, just so it makes it stand out from the wall. So instead of buying new lamps, we used her mum's lamp, and all we did was put a new lampshade on it. I think we got that one in Debenhams. Now, the kitchen needed seeing too. The layout was fine, so all we did was we decided to change the doors and the worktop. Actually, we sprung for a new sink as well. We hid the fridge freezer behind two doors there. We've pinned both of them together. We put some subway tiling up, as you can see there, and some lights, and it changed the entire look of the kitchen. So there you have it. Hope you liked it.